everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below para every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko, updated kayo. For today's video guys, we are outside of the residential area of Judith. Naghintay kami ngayon kay Judith. Kakatapos lang niya maligo. At ito yung mga kasama ko ngayon.
Hey y'all, welcome back.
Saan tayo ngayon pupunta?
It's still undecided, Juge out.
Magbe-breakfast kami ngayon and we're still deciding where to eat. Hindi pa rin lumalabas si Judith.
Mga 10 minutes tayo nag-call. Tapos nandito na tayo after. You wake up early, Jude.
Basta expect siya ba nga hapon patamagan.
Hey!
Ay, hello, wait lang! May ano lang. Ah, sige.
Nag-grocery day ka?
Bakit ka pawis? Oh my God, Jude. Wait lang. Madali ka. Visit ka. Kagising ko lang talaga. You're caught on cam.
Samantha mo agi.
Ano, uy, lisot man diri-diri.
Pwede straight.
Straight lang ta.
Dito ka pressing mo na lang gawas.
Yes.
Uy nga.
Dito kami ngayon sa may Mabono.
Bakit? Saan pala?
Punta to be announced.
Hindi to pawis. Ano ka ba? Moisturizer yan.
Hey!
Papunta dyan. Again.
Paano?
Paano nga mag-react?
Paano, Chan? Ulit Chan, ulit.
Pula-pula po, buisit. Sige, maligo na ako.
Gawin sa kadira sa lang.
no.
Dili
Kasi
may
sabi
one
niya
hagla
for
pula
this
po, eh.
month, kaya doon siya sa condo. Ang yabang!
Asa mo di ay?
Naglibot-libot rin. Mangita may mag-breakfast.
Recommendations pa tayo.
Pula pa girl ka na pala, Chan. O kuma.
Asa mo si busit mo karon?
Yeah.
You know.
Yan, ko na talaga
Mag-ferry lang ka, Chan. Chat na lang.
Bye.
Bye. Habol daw si Christian Malare. Ano masasabi niyo?
Ang tanong, saan siya hahabol?
The update is habol daw si Christian later today kasi nandun pa siya sa may Lapu-Lapu. And now it's already 10:38 in the morning. We will see you in a bit guys kung dumating na kami sa aming destination. We just arrived at our destination. Dito na yung kakain sa Damp Cafe sa may Mabolo. And we're going inside. Ito pa yung menu. They have salads, cafe specials, grilled chicken, pork,
Niso lang na to baan.
soup. Meron din sila all-day breakfast.
Atong tomato, dili, kato chicken ito. Sa brown rice.
Chicken bacon.
Ako kanina. Kanila yung mga doon.
Ano yung chicken bake, tomato, rice? Anong order mo?
Tunan ko salad, pero gutom man ko.
Spinach,
2 chops lang ko.
omelette.
O, kamo na sa...
What's your
Ah,
order?
invite pala si Joy mag-hiking.
Sino?
Si Joy.
Ano
Happy
sa-
hiking. Masarap dito eh.
Mag 2 chops lang ko, katong 4 chop na duha ko. Kanang chicken baked tomato rice. Katong 2 chops. Ang side nyo ha?
Stroganoff daw isa. Stroganoff. Ate,
Hindi naman ako sure kung tama yung pronunciation.
Main chop di ay, dili 2 chop.
kanina lang pork kawali and tomato onion stew.
Order of 2 chops, 1 beef stroganoff, 1 chicken baked tomato rice, 1 pork kawali, 1 tapong nut salad. Dili mo magabil sa drinks. You can get cake if you order more drinks. Cake will be 1 peso.
Water lang mo, kaya pang tonsil.
Or meron din silang shakes. Gusto mo ng shake?
We're gonna transfer sa old spot.
Bakute.
Bakit eh? Using a sentence, bakit eh?
Tanungin mo si ate.
These are the prices.
Meron pala silang second floor.
Pero pang event lang daw.
And on the side, they actually have cafe specials, salads, grilled sandwiches, chicken, beef, breakfast, cakes and pastries. Kapag-order na po kami and we're currently waiting for our orders. And we're ready to eat. Nakapag-breakfast ka na ba dyan?
Hindi nga, kakagising ko lang.
Why, Judy? What time ka na natulog kagabi?
Na 12? Haba pala ng tulog ko, no? Perfect. Bawing-bawi yung tulog. Feeling ko tanghali pa dapat ako gigising.
Ano talaga ako? Tumawag si Joma. Alam mo, nagawa ko, minute ko. Na-mute ko siya. Tapos akala ko yung speaker ang napindot ko ba. Ayun, nagsige siya salita. Na-realize ko, kay tulog mo talaga. Ay, Jules, pakiulit. Dapat i-goal natin na picturean tayo sa Polaroid nila.
Alam mo yung mukha ko talaga, parang buong camera mo.
Wait lang, sa may second floor. No?
Anong salad ka?
Truffle nut.
Tapos,
Truffle nut.
My God, girl.
That's tuna. Ito yung truffle.
Ari, oh.
Truffle nut. Meron siyang tuna salad on a bed of green lettuce, apple,
Lipat dun sa dulo or dyan?
candied walnut, cucumber, and tomatoes with honey mustard vinaigrette. This is only for 385 pesos. This is the full dining area. Over here are the cakes. And more cakes. Tea? Ah, okay. Tea pala to. Same siya. Yung flavor, this one, Oolong, Prestige, at Royal Darjeeling. This is one of the teas that they have here. And this is a counter. And over here is our table. Dito po yung washing area. The mirror. This is the CR. Tissue, the toilet, trash can, the urinal. This is the whole CR area. Best figure that has. Bakit kumakain na kayo?
may showing breakfast sa salad.
This is pork kawali and a salty sweet tomato onion stew white rice. For 365 pesos. Only. Pero wala siyang drink still, no? This is solo order. Currently waiting for our other orders.
Video mo na.
Order ni Judith. Beef stroganoff. Slow cooked beef in a creamy white sauce with garlic rice. This is for 395.
Infused water, lemon picture. Chicken bake, tomato rice.
Matino pa yung order ko. Chicken bake, tomato rice, crusted chicken, Italian cheese on a tomato brown rice. So, order na lang ni Jomer, hindi pa dumadating. Tara, let's eat! Themselves. Kind of. Carrot cake.
Sabong cake ko, parang cake.
Bili ka ng grapes.
Mati na po yung extra order namin. We ordered the pink lemonade, the large size, 175 pesos. Meron silang medium size for 155 pesos.
This is peppermint mocha. The hot is 180 something.
185.
Yung ice is 100 something.
Ice Spanish latte.
Is it hot or cold?
What do you think?
Diyos na na. 165. Tapos meron siyang 185 din.
Lesser price is hot. Bakit mahal yung ice?
If you're gonna buy one drink, you're gonna get a discount on the cakes for only
Yan mo
1
anong
peso.
nangyayari sa drink
Di ba
mo?
dapat meal siya? Meal siya, girl. Meal and drink and then 1 peso cake.
Purchase ka muna ng food.
Meal. Like, kagaya ko natin, may meal ka, tapos mag-order ka.
Pero hindi siya pwede ka itong palitan natin mag-drink sila with a cake.
If you can afford, separate ang price nun. So, you can buy. Pero yung promo nila, meal siya dapat na may drink. Para maka 1 peso cake ka. Hindi lahat ng naka-display na cake doon kasali sa peso cake nila. Ganito ang mga drink ni Chan Chan Drew. Sabi ko sa'yo, next time, never ever choose yung hindi sa'yo. Pink ones are for Chan Chan. You will not be satisfied. Sana matunaw pa siya, no?
Coffee siya, nalalasan mo yung coffee. Kasi may particles pa daw ng coffee. Hindi ba siya na ano?
Yun ba yung nainom?
Na-grind fully. Pero feeling ko yun pala yung ano. Kaya pala parang may bit.
Ano bang lasa ng peppermint?
Mint.
Looking for the peppermint flavor. Siguro yun na yung ibang nalalasan ko. May,
Pumili ko na hindi ko alam yung flavor.
pag inumin mo kasi siya, taste mo yung coffee, and then may aftertaste, yun na siguro.
We're gonna try the mango cake. Masarap yung ice cream.
What do you think is in there?
Nuts, mango, and the cream.
Flavor lang pala siya.
Parang coffee siya. Coffee flavor? Yung color brown?
Parang.
After this, we're gonna go to SM. See you in a bit. Dumating na po kami dito sa SM City Cebu at nandito kami ngayon sa mga food hall. Kunin na niya yung seat cover sa Ace Hardware. Yan na yung maglalagay Jones mag-install.
Yes.
At how much was it?
Secret.
Katangahan ni Joma, hindi siya nagdala ng kanyang resibo. Wala kang picture din, Jones? Ng resibo?
Wala.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Ace Hardware. Claim na natin yung cover seat.
Iutusaw ka din mga
Ang saban. Ina ako sa wakas kayo. Balik ang
manawag lang kasi ha.
narama kayo number na.
Naramanig ko yung number. Nawag lang kasi kaya mukha sa padiyo.
Ah.
Tao sa Misa Navarra, kaya naman ito siya. Nawag lang. Sige,
Lagi. Bago ka to siya?
Ang buwan sa Tong Navarra, ako sa gipa lakaw sir kay wala pang gipa ba sa tawag lang
So, alauna siya mag-start.
dili ang upapan mo kuan sir musulod kay kuan man 115 ya maka lunch ni kay kuan man
Mga 30 ko makalan, so mabalik lang ko mga kuan, untok kuan, at least maka-break of 30 minutes, nakitaw ko na mo ang Navara, dahil 1 month, so dahil alas 2.
Kailangan magulat. Nyala niya.
Nawag na ko sir, sa mama na may.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hapon na rin si Christian. Sana pala siya. Tapos na siya kumain.
Yes, she's done.
That's so fast.
Ano yung isuot ko? Saan yan ang suot mo kahapon?
Bumili ako ng t-shirt neta.
Sean, what the fuck?
I'm going to change my shirt. Nag-cook na ako, nag-dress sa sad, diabetic ako ano. Asa mo nag-work?
Parang magtikat ang bag mo dahil. Saan ka na? Electric pan kang dalaga.
Kaya nagdala ako ng mga gamit para kay ano na ba yung
Siya,
ito? Mag
nakakalo.
last day sa 30. Sa
Last
kondo
day.
ba? So ang magamit ng gibili na akong sister mapunyeta, idala na ako. Hinay-hinay na ako gahakot. Atay, uy, kapoy kayo. Uy, kayo ko. Ano ba kagamit ito yung pag... Wala na, mo kanil mo naging kuan. Ana na nga to, laptopan ko, ana lang. Ba't hindi mo pa dinala yung laptop? Kapoy kayo, dahil. Oo, kaya ito ko mag-stay kaya. You know, it's Aircan. Did you user ka sa part na yun? Oo. Meron, pero tsaka man lang kung nga ito gamay.
Extend ang stay ba? Para ikaw na lang mag-stay.
Layo ka ayo, uy, punyeta, traffic pa jud.
Bakit sino pala nagstay doon?
My sister.
Yung nag-aaral?
Tuloy naman siya. Meron pa mga gamit doon na mga naiwan niya. My God, punyeta. Pag naday,
Huwag na daw.
baka masama ang loob mo.
Yung pen shop lang, syempre. Ano ka ba? Kaya ko naman buhatin yung patient lang eh.
Saan na naman yung ponyo
Is there BTS? BTS?
Ponyo.
There's not. Oh my God.
We can watch it on Netflix.
BTS. So that's the logo of the album.
Picture mo na kayo dyan. Popcorn.
okay.
Paano kunin lang natin yung popcorn?
Yes.
Dito ka tayo. Tapos yung ano. Yes, me. Thank you.
Wait lang kasi mo bigyan.
1, 2, 3.
No. Ikaw, Judith. Picture na. While you're there. Pwede lang? Uy, baka may bayad ko.
Para may snack tayo dahil.
Thank you.
Ako na lang bibigay.
Bakit may free?
Because BTS can afford everyone. Okay na, uy. Magpipicture din sila. Wala lang drink.
Pero ano yung show nila? Walang nakalagay. Super Mario. Mainit pa yung popcorn.
Ay, oo. Saan pala tayo after? Lalabas ba tayo?
Doon lang yun, di ba?
Pili ko antay na lang tayo. Uy, alas 2 ha. Malapit na.
Dito na lang tayo sa loob ng ano.
Pasok tayo.
Babalik na lang kami ulit sa loob kasi nilagay pa ni Christian yung mga gamit na sa car. Let's sit and wait. Ayan, kainin na yung popcorn na. Get some drinks!
Gusto ko ng barbecue flavor.
Bet, it's for free.
Cheese, barbecue, and then sour cream ba? My choices. Kanina pinawisan ako.
We are going to wait for Christian and Jomar. Nilagay pa ni Chan Chan yung mga gamit niya. We'll see you in a bit and I'll give you an update later. Let's eat some popcorn.
lost at night, feeling lost at night, feeling lost inside. Step into my life, step into my life. Baby, please be mine. Feeling lost at night, feeling lost at night, feeling lost inside. Step into my life, step into my life. Baby, please be mine. Feeling lost at night, feeling lost at night, feeling lost inside.
Just an update, nawala pa kami doon kanina. We were on the wrong floor kasi yung car nakapark siya on the 4th floor. But we're at the 3rd floor. And Christian was looking around all over the place. Hindi niya makita yung hindi niya makita yung car because that's not where the car is parked.
Ibang parking. Parang na-stress kami ng dahil sa'yo. Sana pala hindi ka na lang nagpakita. Hindi nasali sa schedule today na maghanap ng sasakyan sa parking lot. Hindi na pa kami nag-i-stairs. Sa uli ko na lang pala yung nito.
Galing na kami dito kanina. Hinanap namin yung car but it's not here.
They're looking at the wrong parking lot.
Do they still have Teflo?
Parang. Kasi di ba nung paliko, meron pa yung paano?
Fourth.
Third kasi to, kaya malamang paakyat pa yun.
Where's the stairs? Elevator. Elevator na lang. That's the electric.
Para sa BYD. Meron pa na silang charger. Libre kaya yun?
No.
No?
BYD. Baka libre ata.
Tanggalin ba? Tanggalin, libre siya.
Ayan o, nag-charge na sila. Electric car. Electric car pala to?
Oo.
With gas?
Charging is free, maximum of 3 hours. See, 3rd level ang bobobo.
To the 4th floor.
So sa 3rd floor lang para dapat.
Yung mall talaga, no? The actual mall is in the 3rd floor lang.
Kasi tingnan mo, meron pa packet. Yung spiral thing.
Diyan na yun, no? Dito yun, no? Ayan na, oh. Dito, oh.
Bakit pa tatawag? Dito! Where are you? Ano yata sila doon? Dito!
The human.
Bakit pa tatawag?
Saan ka galing?
Pwede namang isigaw ko.
Bakit ka napunta dyan? Bakit ka napunta dyan? Don't.
Hindi ako sa memory memory loss ko.
Memory amnesia.
Pinatay ko na.
All because of Christian's bag.
Hingi, B. Napaka-extra water diha? Napa-isa. Do, ang tubig ni mo na dito sulod.
Okay. Ang init. Chan, quickly.
Pero kinain ko na siya.
Bitch.
Alam, girl, dala niya na yung Dubai chocolate.
Pero kinain ko naman siya.
Lahat?
God!
Lahat?
Grading.
Lahat?
Pag-ilis ang chat, saan yun?
Nag-iwan ka?
Nag-iwan ako ng slide.
Wow. Talaga mapapasalamat kami.
Oh, let's go. Bye.
Una na mo dito ka sulod. Dari lang. Nakauna na mo.
Ako sa mo diri.
Pag-ilis ang chat.
Chanchan na naman.
Much later.
Now we're back dito sa SM and we're gonna meet up with Jomar sa my Ace Hardware. Una na siya because the seat covers are already ready for pickup. At babalik na lang kami mamaya dun sa may parking lot there sa may 4th floor.
Pero,
Akala ko yun.
gusto niya talaga mag-iba.
Tumawid siya. Hindi siya umaangat pag dito siya nakain.
Para walang kaagaw. Para siya lang yung shining star.
Siya lang ang pinag-aagaw.
Dapat pumunta siya sa cyber zone. Sa cyber zone lang daw siya pinag-aagawan. Dapat, doon ka tumambay.
Kita na naman kami sa mga Ace Hardware. Hanapin muna namin si Jomar. Doon pala siya. Ready na?
Ace is here to make your home dreams a reality.
Ready? Ready na?
Hindi kuha pa. Asa mo standby?
Close nga sila oh.
Doon tayo sa wellness.
We are currently waiting for the seat covers to be prepared at tatambay muna kami in a bit. Tingnan pa natin kung saan kami makahanap ng place na makatambay. See you in a bit.
Yeah, maybe I should take it slow. My body's saying yes, my head is saying no, no, no. What if I could let you go? My heart is saying yes, my head is saying no, 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 no. Yeah, maybe
Nandito kami ngayon sa pen shop
Nandito
and
ka
we're
ba?
looking
Wala
for
ka dito.
the perfect bag.
Ha?
The one that we're going to replace. Ito yung i-replace natin. The DKNY?
Meaning?
I don't know.
No, next.
Ka nang magdala ng 3 wipes. Isang wipe lang yung dali mo.
Sa 1, 2, 3,
Kapag ko dito.
4 man siya.
ID oh. Pang ID chan. Ano man?
I like it, but maganda nga kasi cute.
Magkano?
799.
It's very affordable.
Mag-boot ba kasi ako dahil kung magbili kong marami lang.
True. Gusto mo mambugto?
Buhay mo ba yan?
Ganaan mo mambugto na?
Carry and
Pero kung diri ka ni diri oh.
Pero hindi siya pwede bukat.
Kanina lang siya no.
kanina lang.
Yan na lang siyan.
Let's go.
Kanina pa kami naghahanap ng perfect bag ni Christian but we're unsuccessful. Ano ba hinahanap mo siyan? What is he looking?
Okay lang to sa ako matong ano. But I'm afraid ako. Built bag ba niya?
No siyan. Ito sa baba.
But it's gumbo.
Simple lang siya chan.
Ayoko ng simple.
Gusto na extraordinary. How about this one? Ito.
Narinig mo na yan?
Ay, yeah, it's... Ay, yeah. English na lang.
Ayan. Okay naman siya. How much?
Tunin nila ni nakita mo ba?
Ko lang to.
Oh, 399.
Oh, 399. Ano man? Is it a win or no?
It's okay.
Kaya hindi ko na siya maano.
Pero yung ano, yung problema ko is the ano. Ang manalagay dito ba?
Hindi, puno lang talaga yung
Power
Parang
bank.
same lang naman ito. Nasa sila siya. Same size lang.
Electric fan. Yung electric fan ko dahil dapat nandito yun.
Dapat maliit lang siya.
The looks outside.
Ayaw, dalo.
Same sila na may something sa loob.
Pero,
Pero kasi yung ganito niya, oh, parang hindi siya ano.
Hindi siya matibay. Itapon na natin to.
Listen mo kayo na.
Are we gonna throw this away?
No, because I'm going to one of the
Ilagay mo na sa,
very...
ilagay mo na sa museum. Nakapili na si Christian ng bag. Hindi na yung napili ni Christian Malari. Finally siya, nakabili ka na ng bag. After all these years. Baka gusto mo ng polka dot.
Polka dot.
Yan na siya. Excuse. You're gonna buy?
Are we done?
Are you done? Yes.
Ito dapat sa Jug, oh.
Iba talaga kayo ng ano. Sabi niyo yun talaga daw yung bagay sa akin.
You need to transfer the files.
Mag-hunting na tayo.
Ayan, magka-transfer na si Christian Malari ng mga kayamanan niya sa bago niyang bag.
Awi na daw.
Diyan mo na nilagay siya.
Unboxing time. So, ang total price is $499.
I'll give you an update later if we're gonna go meet up with Jomar. See you in a bit, guys.
Many minutes later.
Kakatapos lang namin kumain sa Tendo Street at nakalibre pa kami ng 3 leches na cake.
Andrew.
Christian, kamusta naman yung cake?
It was very good. Very recommendable. I like
Bakit
it
siya
very
recommendable, Chan? How do you describe the taste? From top to bottom.
much. The amount of sweetness, it's very just right.
How was it? Was it squishy?
No, it's
Is it
very more
soft?
soft and all. I love it. We're in a hurry because we're gonna make apas Jomar.
Ano yung kinakain mo, Jude? Order po kami ng 99 pesos na ice cream on a cone.
Dito na tayo.
Yung order para na flavor lava mint and salted caramel. We're gonna take the elevator going down.
Why are you going down?
Going down? Going up?
Going up.
Up pala, up. Move, Chan.
Sorry. Squeeze. Ikaw kayo. Go on 4. O 5. 4.
4th floor. Kaya nasa 3rd floor kami. We're going up.
Sulod na din. Huwag na din.
Ikaw na lang. Si Christian.
Wow.
Si Pia close lang.
Si Pia na siya. Si Ate Pia.
Wow, makaating.
Ito na.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Saan?
Fourth lang. Fourth ba yun?
Yes, girl. We're in the 4th floor kasi walang available space sa 3rd floor.
Recommendable, it's advisable.
Kasi it's for free, Chan. Ano ka ba?
Even if it's not free, it's very recommendable because it's very moist. Sabihin mo. Ay, bro, sabi na.
Dito na ba?
It's very recommendable, it's very advisable, it's very...
Narinig niya na yung mga reviews nila. So recommendable daw.
Very recommendable, it's very...
Very delicious.
Sirong plaka ka siya. Are you on rewind?
Because it's very recommendable, it's very advisable.
Naluloka na si Christian sa 3 leches.
It's very good.
And it's very recommendable.
It's very recommendable, it's very advisable.
Pwede ka lang gumawa ng kanta siya. It's good, it's very recommendable, it's delicious.
Oh, it's very recommendable. Very recommendable. It's very good. It's very good.
Di na ako naniniwala siya. I don't believe you anymore.
Jobs! Jobs! Ay, na siya, oh. Sorry. Mo,
Hindi
di
ba
ba?
na? No. No, no.
Nagbago ka sa kinan.
Asa ba?
No, no.
Asa?
Dito ba yun?
Ako.
Yung parang open space.
Chan, gift ka na Chan. Hindi ako tanay ko. Ay, may papilo.
Got the newly installed
Hello, thank you.
cover seats.
Look at that shit!
We will see in a bit, guys. I'll give you an update later. Nasa next destination na kami.
na.
Like, am I in, ano?
Am I in where?
Am I real?
Saan tayo ngayon, Chan? Where are we at?
We're here.
Where?
Here.
Here where?
Everywhere.
You bitch!
This is Mandani Bay, the parking area. Dito lang tayo. Sa entrance, all the way here, but not here, not this part. Charot na. Marte. Ito mo, yung pang Marte, oh.
Judy, what's happening? What? You're in the dust zone.
Look at the air.
Pollution is at the back.
And he's walking.
And he's walking towards us. Madami na pala ditong condo, no? So this one is a condo building. At ito din. Still constructing. Palabas na kami ng parking lot. And we're gonna go to the Bay Area.
Let's explore.
Saan yung pet mo, Jude?
Huwag mong pinagloloko yung pet ko, bagong bag niyan. 50% off.
Kumakanta ng ano yan, Kokoli and Tony Gonzaga.
Saan yung bag ni Chan?
Oo nga. Chan!
Iparaffle na natin yung old bag mo,
Mayabang mo yung
Chan.
bago mong bag.
The area is big.
Yes. See? Ang layo. Oh.
We're gonna get control sa...
Poker face. Poker face lang. Demure lang, Chan. Demure. Ito na po yung bay.
Hello, goldfish!
This is the best time na, Chan, for you to prepare your shoes and your outfit for jogging. This is the best time.
Yes, this is Mandani Bay.
Kaunta na. Kasamata mo kaon.
It's for you to find out. Look at this.
What is that?
It's handkerchief.
Your new bag. Is
Yeah,
your
it's
body bag.
2,999.
Is your body bag or is your bag?
Nagakulit.
Conductor.
Dapat may bagong bag ka na, Chan. Another new bag.
It's very
Ang zipper, okay,
2,999.
dalawa.
Labas ang dating app.
Light siya
Yes.
ang zipper.
It's 2,999.
Ang brand ba sa zipper?
You can
ano,
never
is
go wrong
YKK?
with
Chan, ang brand mo sa zipper is YKK.
no, it's from Unitop, I guess.
I guess.
Pila day ang original price?
It's 4,919 na original.
You don't.
You don't ano?
You don't what?
You don't ano? You don't ano daw? You don't walk?
Dito ka na mag-jogging, Chan, next time.
Oh my God, I
Hindi talaga, dun siya sa harap mo mag-ano.
Manugo lagi ka.
Uy, mag-order na mag-running shoes kaya magdagan ta dire every
Magchinelas lang every weekend.
every weekend. And then magkaon sa
Yatay.
oh, at least sige lang takaon wala ta exercise. Like walking lang ba and then
Libak-libak lang.
Sure na yan?
oh. Uy, pag running shoes na mo.
Meron na ako.
Sa May na lang.
Bakit dino-document mo kami to? Bakit dino-document mo kami?
Sino ka ba? Sino ka ba?
Ito yun ang konyo.
Why?
Alam mo,
Why your
dahil
vid-
kay Chanchan, feeling ko
Why you video? Why you video?
Bench.
Uy, Mosimo.
Yeah, Mosimo. Actually,
Tapos ang ending, doon to rami sa 2.9.
Doon ka na siya, no?
no. It's 2,999.
Wala dyan tayo ang budget.
It's 2,999.
1,000 steps na yung chan.
Uy, nindot lang yung mag-standby dito sa Snow Cafe. No, nice mag-standby sa Snow Cafe.
Ay, mo man yung katukong gingon sa imo siya. Kung gisan ako sa
Yes.
You're right.
Yeah, you're right.
Of
Are you
course,
right?
I am. Yes, I
Oh,
am.
corrected by.
Ayan, may grocery din pala dito. Metro Corner. Sa ibaba. And dito sa side ng mga booths like the Lemonade Company, Potato Corner, Palit Joms,
Lemon ta na.
Lemonade.
Mag-lemonade ka.
22 ounce ako ah.
Ha?
Lemonade.
Lemonade daw. 50 lang.
50.
22 na lemonade. Old fashion. O, duha. Imo ang sana. Duha ka old fashion na 22. Asa sila, Judith?
Ito po yung bagong menu nila. They have the old fashioned, Yakult lemonade, watermelon, cucumber, ginger lemonade.
Okay, ginger.
Wala.
Strawberry na ginana-serve ko na yan.
Old fashion lang ka.
Ako gusto ni Crystal. Old fashioned. And they have a frozen yogurt.
Yung na lang. 50-50. And then, isa ka frozen yogurt.
Ikaw, Tel, do you want the frozen yogurt?
I'll give it out to you.
Chan, don't you want to try this?
So what's it called, Julie?
Frozen yogurt.
Lemon something.
20 lang.
Masarap siya.
Tamis. Because
This is the frozen yogurt lemonade flavor for 35 pesos.
Hindi niya alam nun na nag-ice cream ka. Susumbong kita.
No.
Oh, wala Jones, nagano pa siya nag-cake and then ice cream.
It's called LK Bakery. This is the hottest place in town right now.
Yes, you can see your ice cream is melting.
sabihin mo sa yes because I'm here.
Yeah, and also because sabi ko nga, yeah, because I'm still
What, alive? Na-notice pala namin guys dito sa Mandani Bay, lahat ng mga restaurants or places.
Ikaw lang nakanotice. Huwag mo kami dadamay.
Ang traidor. Lahat ng mga places dito, may line. There's a line and there's a list and you're not able to get in if you don't have any
Yeah,
reservation.
because I'm an A-lister. Yes,
Okay.
you're correct. Pretending to be somebody
But you're not.
that
So you're Delulu?
Pupunta direct ball po tungkol dyan.
Illegal.
Katulad ng padjak muna.
Daghan ka nagpupunta. Tanawang tagbaw tag-hiwag puso.
mag-ano ko ano ay vegetable lumpia because
Oh,
you know as a
vegetable
healthy
lumpia.
person
No.
Oo, healthy.
We're exiting the building. So we can only afford the Lemon Company.
But buti pa ang Lemon Company.
They never raise
They
their...
don't judge us.
dapat ako magkanta din ng happy birthday hinahamon ni ba ako
This is a new restaurant.
Here's a song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time.
He sounded like
very energetic siya
Happy birthday!
Ito na lang daw tayo magantay.
so you dili ka maghuwat
Yeah.
Oo, dali na ito magawat.
Eh, mga patay gutom tayo eh.
Ay, ikaw lang yun.
Actually, them.
Sa pag may
For
dinner
example.
siya, tapos mga worth 1,000, 1,500, go ka lang. Okay na yun.
That's fine.
The
Money's not a problem. Yes.
That's, oh my God.
Ang ano lang talaga
That's
is
cheap.
how they charot.
How they treated you?
How they treated us. Well,
What
Yeah,
did they do?
no! Because
Ano ba talaga ang ginawa sa inyo?
Wala naman ginawa sa
What did they do to you?
Tayo mo English.
Ano siya?
okay naman siya. Actually, there. No, I don't
mistreated them.
For the dinner time, it's not for us. Sandwiches, breads, it's not for us.
We will see you in a bit, guys. I'll give you an update later kung darating na kami sa next destination. Nakarating na po kami dito sa ID Park and we're gonna look for a place where to have our
Nandun na
dinner.
tayo.
Kubo is closed!
Nandito na po tayo ngayon sa namuto tayo. Pupunta tayo doon sa Baskin. Kasi nung kakain na tayo. Kasi nandun sa Mandani Bay, hindi ko makakain.
Naging rapper ka na agad?
Kasi naman dami lang ganun
You just sang with Britney and this is what happened.
Voiceover kay Nana, Gaga style.
I know, yeah, the voice over kasi nandun tayo sa Yaxmi. Papunta naman sa Yaxmi, nandun tayo sa Yaxmi. Kasi nandun tayo sa Abacakin, hindi ka nakakain na doon kasi may marami na nakakakain. Nandito tayo sa mga ati park, kasi Judith, nandun pa lang si Daga, nandun pa si Jomar, nandun pa si Jono. Nandun pagpasensya noon, hindi ko nakita doon, nagdapas mo isang hindi ko doon. So that's mission number.
Ayan, tanga kasi.
That's part of the program. Nandito na tayo sa Yatski. Nandito tayo sa Yatski. Nandito tayo sa Yatski.
This is the barbecue area. Ito po yung entrance. Dito po kayo mag-order. And this is the menu. The cashier. We will see in a bit, guys, as soon as we get our order.
Many, many minutes later.
Dumating na po yung pagkain namin. This is what we've ordered at Yatski. We have the tofu barbecue and the liver.
Doon akong i-order ka. That's fine. I don't know.
Also some pork. We actually do have vinegar and some soy sauce. Is there any difference, Chan? Yung
The
dalawang sauce
difference
na yan?
is the spiciness and the not spiciness.
This is our food for tonight. Kain muna kami. I'll see you in a bit, guys. Kakatapos lang namin kumain sa Yatski and I'm going to give it 5 stars as always. Masarap yung barbecues nila and the service is super fast. What do you think of Yatski? 1 to 5.
5. Kasi
And
nabusog ako.
Would you recommend it?
5, yes.
Yes.
Recommendable?
Yes,
recommendable, acceptable, and
First.
it's located here.
How about you? What do you think
What?
of Yatski? 1 to 5, 5 is the highest. Would you recommend it?
Yes. Energy. Yes, of course.
5 stars.
5 stars.
How about you?
5.
You already heard their review at Yatski. At hanggang dito lang po yung vlog namin, guys. We already had our dinner. Bye!
Goodbye.
See you on the next vlog.
Show!
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye everyone! Good night! See you on the next video.